In this video, I'll show you how to use the DAP Fast and Final with knife cap included to fix this small hole I have on my drywall. If you have bigger holes, there's other products for this. So the main thing that this product has going is that it has this knife cap. You see there, so you won't need any other tools than this one to apply it. So the first step before even opening the packaging is to just make sure that the hole is flat. So there's nothing extruding from it. Here you can see there's a small bit sticking out. This is not good. And this is why I took some sandpaper and did a very light sanding just to remove it. Maybe you won't have to do this step. Well, good for you then. When you're ready, take the tube. And at the end here, you see there's a small cap. You just need to turn it counterclockwise. And it opens up like this. Here you can see it was supposed to have a seal on the tube itself, but it got stuck in the cap. Right there, so we'll need to remove it. Just take one of these small screwdrivers and push it out. Now it's time to apply the putty, and we will do it with this new hole here in the wall because my iPhone didn't film when I was doing the first one that I showed you. So before using it, you need to remove this small plastic cap that is covering it simply by sliding it off. Gently press the tube so you have some of the putty going out like this. And now press the plastic part right against the wall and try to spread it evenly. I know it can be a bit hard since you can't see how much putty you have, but by repeatedly doing it, you're gonna clean if you have put too much, and it will go right into the hole. In case you exaggerated and applied too much, all you have to do is to press firmly, and you see all the excess will go on the putty knife. And I just want to show you on the first hole I covered how it looks after a full day. I think it did a pretty good job, but the nice thing about this product is that you can apply some more if you find that the hole is not completely flush with the wall. I suggest that you wait at least 24 hours just to make sure that it's completely dry before adding a second layer. Now it looks much better, and all you have to do is to paint the wall. To clean the tube before you put it back, all you have to do is take a wet rag or wet sponge and clean the excess of putty. And then put back this small cap. It should fit right in. Don't worry if there's some putty going out when you put it, it's normal. Push it completely, make sure it's tight, and this should last a few more months, or I don't know, maybe a year. I never tested to see how long it can last once it's open. So thanks for watching. If you have any comments, leave them down below. If not, please leave a like, and well, I'll see you in the next time.